Can any type of glass bowl be used for baking a cake in a convection microwave?
Hello everyone! Today we're going to answer an interesting question. Can any type of glass bowl be used for baking a cake in a convection microwave? The answer is not quite as straightforward as you might think, so let's dive into the details.
Understanding microwave-safe glass.
First, it's crucial to understand that not all glassware is created equal. When it comes to using glassware in a microwave, especially a convection microwave, the key term you need to look for is microwave safe. Microwave safe glass is made to withstand the intense heat that can be generated in this type of appliance. If your glass bowl isn't labeled as microwave safe, it might crack or even explode due to the heat, which can be dangerous.
What about heat-resistant glass?
You might wonder about heat-resistant glass, such as Pyrex or other types of borosilicate glass. These types of glassware are designed to withstand temperature changes better than regular glass, but not all heat-resistant glass is microwave safe. Some types have been treated with additives that could react to the microwave radiation, potentially damaging the glass and the microwave.
What's best for baking a cake?
Now, when it comes to baking a cake in a convection microwave, the ideal would be to use a microwave-safe glass baking dish. These dishes are specifically designed to handle the heat produced by the microwave while evenly distributing it for perfect baking. If you don't have a microwave-safe glass baking dish, a microwave-safe glass bowl can work, but keep in mind that the cake might not bake as evenly, and you might need to adjust the cooking time. To sum up, while you can technically use any glass bowl for baking a cake in a convection microwave, the safest and most effective option is to use a microwave-safe glass baking dish. Always check the labeling or manufacturer's guidance before using glassware in a microwave. Remember, safety is paramount when it comes to cooking, so don't take any unnecessary risks. We hope this information has been helpful, and happy baking!